Hello. Hello, Torch. Wow. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, I did.
Okay, very good. How about can you see me? Can you see teacher?
Yes, I can. Yeah, I can.
Okay. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, do you eat your dinner?
Yes, I
Okay.
do.
All right, very good. Okay. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Others
Yes, I
missing?
am.
Yes, I.
I am.
Okay. Yes, I'm ready.
Yes.
Okay, sit down properly. Okay, stay on your chair. All right. Okay. Okay, very good. Nice follower. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. So, okay. Um, okay, Torch. Okay. Hello. Okay, stay on your chair, Torch. Okay, so let's.
Teacher, can you enlarge this?
Yes, mommy, I already deactivate the pen.
Uh, more zoom.
More
More
zoom.
zoom.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
yes. Uh, how about now, mommy? Is that okay with you?
More is better. More is better.
Okay. How about now,
Okay.
mom? Okay. So,
Okay. Okay.
okay, mom. So, we have a role play with Torch. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Torch, listen. Okay. So, in the afternoon, we already discussed about Sherman and Dorothy. Okay? So, they went to the restaurant and ordering dinner from the waiter or waitress. Using these lines to begin, work in groups of 3 and create a role play based on the story. Okay, Torch, we have a role play and you're going to answer this question. Okay, listen to teacher. Okay, here is the first question. Okay, imagine Torch, teacher, and you are in the restaurant. Okay, so here's the first question. Would you like to order now?
Sang này tao đúng. Đưa cho order. I want to order hamburger.
Hamburger. Okay, Torch, you can say, I like,
I like to do
I like to,
hamburger.
okay, I like to order
I like to
hamburger.
order hamburger. Hamburger.
Hamburger only?
And fry.
And
And fry. And
fries.
pizza.
Okay,
And pizza.
okay. Noted. Hamburger, fries, and pizza. Okay, once again, Torch, would you like to order now? Okay,
Yeah.
okay, can you read? I like
I like
to order
to order
hamburger.
hamburger.
I'll stay on your chair. Look at the screen. Okay, please. Okay, once again. Would you like to order now? I like
I like
to order
order
hamburger,
hamburger, and
rice,
pizza.
and pizza. Okay, very good. Next, yes. For an appetizer, what do you like to order? Okay, Torch, when we say appetizer, it means a small meat of chicken and juice. Can you tell me what would you like to order for an appetizer? Okay,
Think fry. Think fry.
think back. Okay, what is that? Is this a chicken? Is that
Think fry. Think fry.
tank fried?
Feeling fry.
Mommy, what is that?
French fry. French fry
French
is
fry.
a potato chip. French
French
fry.
fries. Okay, get it, mommy. Okay, for drinks. Okay, thank you, mommy. Okay, for drinks, what would you like to order?
I'll order some cocoa.
For drinks.
Some cocoa. Chocolate
Cocoa.
cocoa. Cocoa.
Okay,
Cocoa.
so let's
Cocoa.
okay, let's say it in complete sentence. Okay, I like to order
I like to order
shampoko.
some cocoa.
Okay.
Cocoa.
Coco.
Cocoa.
Coco, okay.
Cocoa.
All right. And next, and I'd like,
I like.
how about for dessert? What would you like to order?
I like to order some
Do you like
ice
cake?
cream.
Ice cream. Okay.
Ice cream.
Okay, that's missing. I like
I like
to order
to order
ice cream.
ice cream.
Okay. What flavor of ice cream do you like?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, you answer all the questions. Okay, next. Okay. Now, the waiter or waitress is asking about the dinner. Okay, so this is the waiter. Using this model, continue your role play. Okay, so let's continue the role play using this model. Based on all the foods in the story. Okay? Okay, listen. Okay. How so how is we use is how is it? How is the food?
Food.
Okay. Food. Okay, once again. Torch. Okay. So the waiter said, if you're asking for a food, we use is. How is the food or how's the food? Can you repeat?
How is the food?
Okay, how is the food?
คนเสิร์ฟแล้วเราบอกว่าอะไร is yummy
So, how's the food? Imagine you already eat hamburger.
It's so yummy.
Yes, very good. So we use it's. It's yummy. Okay, yummy. It's yummy. Next. I'm glad you like it.
You like it.
Okay, so we use it.
you to like it.
We use it because we describe a food. Okay, I'm glad you like it. Once again. I'm glad
I'm glad
you like it.
you like it.
Okay, very good. Next. And okay. And how?
And how
And how
is
is
Okay, very good. And
the
how
food?
is the dessert? Okay,
How is the food?
dessert.
แปลว่า
Okay, so Torch, remember we use is. Okay. Torch. Okay, remember if you're asking for a food, we use is. Okay, how is the dessert? Okay, remember that. Okay, how's the dessert? Torch.
So
It's
yummy. So
it's
good.
it's so good. Okay, very good. Or we can say it's delicious.
It's
Ah,
delicious.
okay, it's delicious. All right, good job. Okay, you are a good follower. Okay. Next, the waiter said, I'm glad you
I'm
like.
glad you like it.
Okay, perfect. I'm glad you like it. Okay, so,
Glad you like it.
okay, very good. So next, let's move on to pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation. Once again,
Pronunciation.
okay, Torch, when we say pronunciation, this is a way on how we pronounce each word in English. Okay, so pronunciation of before consonants and vowels. Okay, use your ears, Torch. Okay, so how to pronounce of before consonants and vowel. Okay.
vowel แปลว่าสระพยัญชนะกับสระ
Okay, when we say consonants, Torch, it's B, C, D, E. Sorry, it's not E. It's F, G, H. Okay. Consonants are the letters that not included in the vowels. Okay, so what are the vowels?
สุดาเอไอโอยูว้าว
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay, very good. Okay, the vowels are A, E, E, O, U. Okay, very good. You know what are the vowels. Okay, listen, Torch. Okay, okay. I'm going to read. A bowl of soup.
A bowl.
เอาเข้าตา
A
A
bowl
bowl. A
of soup.
bowl of soup.
ชามถ้วยชุบไปสุกอะโบแปลว่าชามถ้วยสุกอะโบเอาสุก
Okay, once again, a bowl
A bowl.
of soup.
The bowl of soup.
Okay, so next, a head
A head.
of lettuce.
A pencil.
Okay,
A lettuce.
okay, lettuce. Next, a piece. Look at the screen. A piece
Cheese.
of apple pie.
Egg. Apple pie.
Next, a bag. A
A
bag.
bowl.
Okay, once again, Torch. A bag of
A bag of.
onions.
A bag of onion.
Okay, once
Onion.
again,
Onion.
อันยืน
Onion.
with letter
Onion.
S, with S. Onions.
Onion. Onion.
Onions. You're so sweet. Okay, once again, Torch. A piece of. Can you make it faster? A piece of.
A bag of.
Don't so very fast. A piece of.
A piece of.
Okay, apple pie.
Pie.
Okay.
Apple pie.
Okay, so let's pronounce again. A bowl of soup. A bowl
The
of
bowl
soup.
of soup.
Okay, so
The bowl
pronounce.
of soup.
Okay, that's the right. Okay, you need to pronounce of weak. Okay, not strong. A bowl of soup. Of. Make it gently. Of.
Of soup.
A bowl of soup.
Bowl.
Not so fast. Okay, a bowl of soup.
Okay.
Okay,
Bowl of soup.
okay. It wasn't clear. A bowl of soup.
The bowl of soup.
It's not the bowl. A bowl of
A
soup.
bowl of soup.
Next, a head of lettuce.
A head of lettuce.
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 With S. Lettuce.
Lettuce. Lettuce.
Okay, lettuce. Okay,
Lettuce.
okay, lettuce. With S. Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Okay, all right. A head of lettuce.
A head of lettuce.
Next, a piece of apple pie.
A big of apple pie.
Okay, very good. You got it. A bag of onions. Okay, listen. Once again, Torch. A bag of onions.
A bag of onion.
Next, a glass of milk.
A can of milk.
A jar of jam.
A jar of jam.
Okay, very good. Next, a pound of, make it
Pound
faster,
of
oranges.
oranges.
Okay, once again, a pound of oranges.
A pound of oranges.
Next, a dish of ice cream.
A dish of ice cream.
It wasn't clear. Shh. A dish of ice cream.
The dish of ice cream.
A dish of ice cream.
Mình Maria.
Okay, once again. You can do that. A dish of ice cream.
A dish of ice cream.
Okay. Okay, so next. Okay, let's have a summary. Okay, so when we say summary, this is the words that we learned today. Okay, so count, when we say count, we can count the food or things. This is a countable nouns. Okay, we can count. What are the food or things that we can count? Okay, this like
Apple.
apple, carrots,
Carrot.
onions,
Onion.
tomato,
Tomato.
potato.
Potato.
Okay, so these are
Banana.
yes, banana. You're so smart. Banana. Book. All right, very good.
Book.
Okay, so these are the food that we can count. Okay, how about count nouns or non-countable nouns? Okay, Torch. How about non-countable nouns or non-count nouns?
Countable noun.
Okay,
Thảo.
now.
Thảo. Thảo tất cả. Thảo tất cả. Onion.
Okay,
Onion.
listen.
Onion.
Okay, so when we say non-count nouns, it means we cannot count. We cannot count this food. Okay? So what are the non-count nouns? Okay?
Noun. Thảo noun.
These are lettuce,
Lettuce.
butter,
Butter.
milk,
Milk.
water.
Water.
Okay, once again, The countable nouns are lettuce,
Now,
butter,
lettuce, butter,
milk,
milk,
and also water.
and
Okay.
also water.
Look at the teacher. Because, okay, because,
Because
you don't need to repeat. Listen to teacher. Because milk and water is non-countable nouns. We cannot count milk and water because they are liquids. These are liquids. Okay? So remember that, Torch. Milk and water is non-countable nouns. And rice. We can count rice. Okay? Look at the screen. Torch. Okay. Lettuce. Butter.
lettuce,
Butter.
butter,
Milk.
milk,
We use is. Look at the
you
screen.
eat.
Okay. We use is because lettuce is non-count nouns. That's why we use is. Okay? So, we have apples,
Apple,
carrots.
carrot,
Okay, with S, carrots.
carrot,
Once again, can you pronounce carrots?
carrot,
Onions.
onion,
Okay, so apples, carrots, and
apple,
onion.
carrot, and onion.
Okay, they have letter S at the end, so it means it's many. Okay, when we say many, it's more than one. Okay, Torch, when we say many, it's more than one. It might be 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. Okay, I'll look at the screen. Okay, apples is many.
Apple is many.
Okay, so it might be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the apples is more than one, we use are. Okay? If
Okay.
so if the apples are more than one, we use are. Apples are.
Apple.
Okay, apples are very expensive. Okay, so
Apple is expensive.
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 I look at the screen. Expensive.
Expensive.
Okay. So remember, Torch, if apples has letter S at the end, it means it's many. It's more than one. Okay, like carrots, it has letter S. Onions, it has letter S. It means, where are you? Where are you, Torch? It means it's more than one. Okay, so we use are.
We use are.
Okay, so if apple is only one, we use is. Apple. So,
Apple. Apple.
okay. Apple is good to our body.
Bobby.
So, okay. So, if apple is
Apple.
only one, we use is. But if apple has letter S, we use are. Okay, next. A little.
A little.
Okay, you were good. Okay, we have exercises about a little and a few. All your answers are correct. Okay, once again, a little. When we say a little, it means
Little.
okay. It means non-count nouns or uncountable nouns. We use a little to uncountable nouns. It means we cannot count. What are the examples of uncountable nouns? Okay, like milk, water, because we cannot count milk, water, and rice. And also, we the examples of uncountable noun is okay. Okay. All right. So the examples of uncountable noun is look at the screen, Torch. Salt,
Salt,
sugar,
sugar,
honey.
honey.
Because salt, sugar, and honey, these are what is mean is these are the condiments that we cannot count. Can you count salt? Can you? Yes or no? No. Okay. Can you count sugar?
Sugar. Sugar. No.
Oh, very good. How about honey? Can you count honey?
No.
Okay. So we use a little. Once again. Torch, a little.
A little.
Okay. Next, a few.
A few.
Okay, so we use a few to
A few.
countable nouns.
On the bowl now.
Okay, what are the countable nouns? It means these are apple, carrots, potato, tomato that we can count. Okay? Countable nouns is the food or the things that we can count. Look at me. That we can count. Okay? So we can count potatoes. Can you count potatoes?
Yeah.
How about nuts?
Nut.
Can you count nuts?
Yeah.
Yes. How about raisins?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So if you can count the food or the things, we use a few. Once again, Torch, a few.
A few.
If you can count the food or the things, we use a little.
A little.
Okay, a little. Very good. So let's read. Okay, we also discuss. I recommend our
I recommend
chocolate ice cream,
chocolate ice cream.
scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg.
Okay, if someone asks you, how's the food? You can say, it's delicious.
Delicious.
Okay. It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Okay, once again, Torch, how's the food?
It's delicious.
Okay, so, okay, we have 1 minute. All right. So, a bag of flour. I repeat it.
bag of color. A bag of color.
A bottle of ketchup.
The nog of ketchup.
Okay, once again, it wasn't clear. A bottle of ketchup.
A bottle of ketchup.
Very good. A box of cereal.
A bag of cereal.
Okay. A box
A bag
of cereal.
of cereal.
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 Once again, okay. Slowly. Cereal.
Cereal.
A bunch of bananas.
A bang of banana.
A bunch of bananas.
A bang of banana.
With S, bananas.
Banana.
Bananas.
Banana.
A can of soup.
A can of soup.
All right. Okay, good job. Okay, I will stop sharing. This is the end of our classes. Okay. So, you're so happy because this is the end. Okay. Even you're so naughty, you listen to teacher. Okay. So when I ask a question, you answer the question. Okay. Thank you, mommy, for your support. All right. So, it's bye for now. Thank you for
Thank you very
listening.
much. Bye
A high five to
bye.
teacher.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
dear.
thank
All
you.
right. Bye-bye.